What if your e-reader felt like a real book and showed comics in full color? Meet the MooInk 5, the world's first folding color e-reader. Ready to flip the page on reading? What's good, everyone? Welcome back to GadInsider. Today we're diving into the groundbreaking gadget, the MooInk 5, the first ever foldable color e-reader unveiled by Redmoo and e-ink at Touch Taiwan in Taipei, April 2025. This 8-inch beauty is making waves for its book-like design and vibrant display. Let's check out why it's a game changer for bookworms. The MooInk 5 is like a Kindle and a foldable phone had a baby. Its 8-inch e-ink Gallery 3 touchscreen shows up to 50,000 colors at 300 ppi, perfect for comics, manga, or illustrated books. It folds in half to fit in your pocket, weighing just 255 grams thanks to a tough aluminum magnesium alloy body. After 9 years of R&D, it can handle 200,000 folds. That's decades of reading. You can read it flat at 180 degrees or propped at 90 degrees for that real book vibe. Sources say it's smaller than a paperback when folded, making it super portable. Why is this a big deal? Most e-readers are black and white slabs, but the MooInk 5 brings color and a book-like experience. Gallery 3 tech, seen in concepts like BMW's color-changing car, makes images pop without the eye strain of OLED. Users are calling it the most meaningful foldable ever for book lovers who want that page-turning feel. X posts are buzzing, with fans hyped up about its compact design and vivid display. Plus, it's production-ready, so it's not just a cool prototype, you'll actually be able to buy it soon. Details are still trickling out. No word yet on price, release date, or exact specs like battery or processor, but Redmoo's other e-readers like the MooInk Nana runs Android with 256GB storage, so expect similar power. Users have noted its durability and book-like angles make it a Kindle killer. If you're in the US, you can check out a live demo at Display Week in San Jose, May 13 to 15, 2025. Redmoo CEO says it's all about lighter, more colorful reading, and this device nails it. The MooInk 5 isn't just an e-reader, it's a love letter to book lovers. It combines the portability of digital with the tactile joy of a physical book, plus colors that make graphic novels shine. Whether you're a manga fan, a commuter, or just hate bulky devices, this could be your dream gadget. As foldable phones like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 trend, the MooInk 5 proves e-readers can innovate too. Reviews on X call it a unique reading experience, and I'm sold. Want the MooInk 5? Follow Redmoo and e-ink for release updates. Subscribe for more tech drops, hit that like button, and tell us in the comments what you would read on this foldable e-reader.